Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the new Deadpool AI filter on TikTok. So type in Deadpool AI filter in your search bar and just select this one here. So it's the first one, and then I'm going to add in an image. I'll just use this one. You can use like a video of like you and your significant other as well. But yeah, that is it. I'm not gonna wait because it's gonna take a long time to load, but it does work, trust me. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.